Hello, hello. Am I live? I don't know. This will be the last time I go live today. Last time I go live this week. Alright, let me see here. Hold on. Alright. What is that? That's my computer charger. Get that out of the way. Alright, so yeah, so I got this done, and then this done. But I need to get this done here. I also want to. Okay, so it is this whole. Strange behavior here. Because it goes this width. Here we go. So 1786. And the puppies are. What's up, Maria? How you doing? Fit content. And then what else? I gotta add the view thing here. The views. No. So this is, what is this? Load additional info. Which I'm surprised I don't have. Here, video views. Oh no, I guess we could just say, yeah, video views. Like that. Just fine. Alright, so now it should say the video views. Just good. But we didn't do something here, which we did throughout this, which is number format. Where is it? Right here. Alright, hopefully that worked. Yep, that worked. Alright, now what we need to do here is we need to remove this change preset selection entirely. And, yeah. Which is unfortunate because I did spend quite some time on that. Wait, I think it was this, and then we could hold on. Where did I just take that out from? Here. I feel like I could use this somehow, but at the same time, not really. Um, Alright, so this is the only thing that we're using it for. Take that out. And it's like it never existed. And this whole thing here can just be deleted. Because we are gonna go with a drop down. So what we need to do here is we do need to raise this up a little bit more. 650 pixels. Let's see. What would be good? I think 700 would be good. But then 700 compared to smaller screen size, what does this do? Yeah, on 1440 it doesn't scale that well. So we could say calculate 100% minus 100 pixels. That way I don't have to deal with it. Which I don't know if that will. Can you calculate like that? That will work. Yeah, it definitely did not work. jQuery animate with calculate. Container height minus 30. That doesn't make sense. Because if I calculate its height, this, forget this height. Like if I do that, it's 200. So minus 30 won't work. That doesn't. Container. Maybe this? Yeah. I don't know. How does this look on this? Okay, that's not that bad. That is not that bad. Alright. Alright, Alright, and then what we want to do is we're gonna have a drop down, which we're going to put here. Tap info. Load next songs available. I feel like though. If we put this here, we're gonna need to know the if it's a playlist or not. So we're gonna have to put and then what we're gonna need to do here is probably need to get the presets. I need the key. So I need playlist. Yeah. Then we need to do if is playlist. We actually just need to do this, but we'll have a select here. We're gonna say ID equals preset selection. Next, playlist preset selection. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna need to do a for loop here for x equals 0, x less than count of preset names, x plus equal 1. And then what we do here is this, and then we do option value equals value equals I'm writing the whole thing without even doing the preset option underscore x. I'm doing this without even doing the actual code yet, because we gotta do SQL equals And then we do select pretty much, hold on. Pretty much what we have to do is this right here, except we have to, instead of song list, we get the playlist. Which should be fine. And so what we need to do here is basically this. And we throw, save that. We're gonna basically do this, sort of. Preset selected. Playlist key, yada yada yada. Get the playlist, get the preset, and then instead, here, we're gonna say well, here we get the preset selected. Let's say preset selected. Get that. So then, if it's less than 1, we're gonna say preset names. Array push preset names, and then original playlist, and then here isn't so much of a hold on a second. We don't have to do this here. We just have to do one of these. And what we do is just do select all, take that out, take this out, all that out. Because when we select all, we get this. This goes here. We need to do a while loop for we don't need that. What do you want, Yuli? What do you want? I think my dog has to go out. Alright, hold on. Take my dog outside.
Bitch, I strap it up. You say niggas counting on you, it ain't adding up. We be moving, tell them stupid niggas pack it up. It ain't about no money, nigga, you can't even chat with us. I got bitches on my dick, but they ain't bad enough. Halitosis on my shit and she gon' back it up. She wanna show me something, I don't really ask for much. I don't want the pussy bitches suck me like Dracula. I just want the brain like it's the last of us. Old news, I got on like a knee brace, bitch, I strap it up. All you pussy rabbits food is you a snack or lunch. All my niggas got them hands and you can handle us. Best to ever do it, baby, ain't nobody after us. I said ain't nobody after us. Like we innocent, ain't nobody after us. Closing time, ain't nobody after us. Nigga, ain't nobody after us.
Gang in this bitch, dog, is nothing you can do to me. Choke and freeze a brother, so you'll never be as cool as me. See me in the bank, them niggas never be like, who is he? I been getting money from the jump, this shit ain't new to me. X-Men diamonds on the neck, nigga, Jubilee. Team animals look like I brought a zoo with me. Hey, niggas gon' lose trying to do with me. Cause they know I keep a Tommy for the foolery. Nigga took a few L's, let it fuel me. We was really on your head after 2 weeks. Niggas really talk shit to the old me. But they can't say shit to the new me. Hey, if you fake, nigga, we can't even tap it up. You ain't built for this, you let them niggas gas you up. I got niggas that'll find you if you tap it over. Run up in your spot in celebration, we gon' clap it up. Gun on like a helmet, bitch, I strap it up. I be shooting for the bills like you was Daffy Duck. Niggas say they running shit, but they ain't passing us. Best to ever do it, baby, ain't nobody after us. Hey, ain't nobody after us. No stars, nigga, ain't nobody after us. Last in line, ain't nobody after us. I said ain't nobody after us.
Bravo Beats. Bravo Beats. Bravo Beats. Bravo Beats. She slurping on my nuts. She slurping on my nuts. She slurping, 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 slurping on my nuts. She slurping on my nuts. She slurping on my nuts. She slurping, 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 slurping on my nuts. She slurping on my nuts. She slurping on my nuts. She slurping, 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 slurping on my nuts. She slurping on my nuts. She slurping. I'm just trying to cut. Get up in her guts, then I put it in her butt. Goddamn. Try to get a nut. Oh, I don't give a fuck. Nah. Shofu came up. Now my niggas stay up. She slurping on my nuts. She slurping on my nuts. Yeah. Beat the pussy up. Now that bitch need a crutch. Beat it up. Shovel too much. Stay clean. Not
Alright,
as much.
I'm back.
From the bottom, now I'm staying right above. Damn, I'm too hot. Grab a fucking
Sort of.
thought. Get up in her box. Now she giving me some top. You ain't never seen these clothes. Never seen these hoes. Damn, I see a bad bitch, booty, titties, and toes. This is how it goes. You already know. I put it in her nose, skiing like a water hose. She slurping on my nuts. Slurping on my nuts. She slurping, 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 slurping on my nuts. She slurping on my nuts. She slurping on my nuts. She slurping,
Slurp it up.
slurping, slurping,
Slurp it up. Go.
slurping on my nuts. She slurping on my nuts.
Where am I?
She slurping, 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 slurping on my nuts.
So what we need to do here is
My nuts. Her ass is like a bus. She drop it
this
like a
now.
klutz. Then she go and fetch this nut. My
And then
kinda nuts. No, the fuck it ain't.
yeah.
Beat the pussy up and
And what we need to do is
Damn, a nigga go hard.
this
Motherfucking diamond. I don't give a fuck. I'ma keep on rhyming. A nigga spit high. These
and
niggas climbing. I don't give a fuck. I'ma
do
keep
that,
till I get nolin'. Till a nigga pop like
do
Alice.
this,
Money looking right, chicken stop
and then
crying.
row
Till
is
my
too
niggas stop
much.
dying. Who you say you fucking with, nigga stop lying. Shuffle in this bitch, am I giant? Who the best style nigga I am? Stand on my dick, jump off, now a nigga start flying.
Do. Oh, whoops. Oh. Preset 1, preset 2, preset 3, preset 4, preset 5. Do. Alright, so then token black dude. There's split, reset one, but not equal. I feel like I could loop this. Alright. Now, preset name sets everything. I feel like I'm missing something. Where's my... There we go. This playlist. That's correct, because I got to set the slide up. If this playlist being played else, it's a lot easier to do it this way. Playlist key. Close that. I've yet to do the on-chain option, but let me load it in first prior to doing anything here. I gotta refresh actually, because it's JavaScript, it's gotta be refreshed. I appeared in a LinkedIn search result. I don't even be using LinkedIn like that. Then Johnson. 7NZ. Okay, no. 7NZ should be this one. So this for loop did not work. Oh, wait. Select all from playlist. Playlist reset. Select all. Or playlist underscore key equals playlist key. Playlist key. Playlist key. Explode row reset.
Battle all these pocket monsters, that ain't what I recommend. Burn you on a stake, then I'm ghost, that's a trevenant.
Wait a second. We exploded. Shouldn't that?
Turn humans to ghost types. Casper, we in this bitch. No drift balloon, I kidnap ya. We killing shit. The current go to fill up Mr. Fuji's house. Check my stats, I swear to God, there's something to be spooked about. Ancient post in 2012, I'm back and now I'm hooping out. Astonished by my savagery. Don't give a fuck who's around.
I forgot. I don't think PHP likes direct.
You see a candlelight, chop myself in half, you still wouldn't be half as nice. Ain't stopping till I'm satisfied. Can't control my appetite. Team is just some food to me. Your post ain't coming back alive. I cast aside any humanity before I bastardize. I'm headed to the league and all you traitors just a sacrifice. Pussy niggas, I'm getting tired of scaredy casters. Fire in my bones, overgrown, a lowland marowak. Getting back on my Agatha shit. I just be breaking backs, I'm out for blood. Leaving your head detached with an aegis slash, it's flattering. Let it dry, that's why the town is lavender. Head big like a drift blim, I'm styling on you amateurs. Go to sleep and never wake up. Heard it's spectacular, blasting you with this Halloween heat, fresh off the chandelier.
Nothing here. I think because we split it at that. And I'm confused because
I turned it around. I got my front to the back. Now my city is right where
why
the
is
numbers was at.
this
Step in
not?
the jungle, you fucked you a snack. We got lions and tigers and guns where we at. I need that gas in my blunt when I rap. Got my crew moving keys like they under a mat.
Nothing
We on
else
your block
here.
and you under attack. They don't know your location. You under the map. Yeah, we down to go. All these shells like the Galapagos. Yo, bitch plotting on me. You can't believe it. You'd be surprised how far $1 goes. Never changing, boy, I'm monotone. Got my business, nigga. Me and you don't have no common goals. I got an extra shot up in the calico and I'ma make it clap like it's a talent show. I told her adios cause she is not worth it.
Oh, I see. That's
perfect. Shots bursting. Squeeze so much I bet that motherfucker finna stop working. Pants sagging. In your house I got your water running and your thought twerking. Dad packing.
There we go.
Say your prayers, I am demon feared and I am God
So
worshipped.
1, 2, 3, 4. You can't select 5 because it doesn't exist. So let me just look up CSS fancy
Traveling through states, peso and shuffle like Ratchet and Clank. They wanna hate cause I am what they ain't. Peso Picasso on canvas, I
Issue with this site is I hate the. Just show me the fucking. Like. Oh, it's so stupid. Fancy. So. Oh my god, that color's ugly. Please.
Me and my niggas don't fuck with you niggas is lame. I got the pistol, I'm letting it bang. I got the scope and I'm taking my aim. Me and you bitches is nothing the same. We don't fuck around the motherfucking gang. We don't fuck around the motherfucking name. Me and Shuffle Benson hop off the way.
Hold
I don't
on.
even fuck with none of you lanes. I don't even think that we are the same. Get on my lane. Tesla the outside is dripping with paint. Inside is whistle, I'm gripping on grain.
There's so much here for no reason. There's so much code. Oh, let's keep going to Discord, dude. Code pen. I'm unmuted, right? Let me make sure. Okay, thank God. Ooh, okay. Ah, this is a React. Ooh. Shit.
I just do my job, I get to working. Yeah, put you in a box if you a burden. Yeah, niggas want my
just...
but you ain't earning. Yeah, pull off in that drop, I get to swerving. Yeah, I just do my job, I get to working. Yeah, put you in a box if you a burden.
Please don't be React.
Niggas want my spot, but you ain't earn it. If it ain't about the money, it's some shit I'm not concerned with. All that talking out your mouth, we need
it's simple, but hold on. I don't know how I like. I might just make my own. And to be honest, it's not even... Bro, I'm so nervous about these damn monitors, bro. Shit is stressing me out because, like, online they said, oh, it wasn't approved for the claim. But then when I called them, they're like, nope, we're just waiting on a response. I need to call them tomorrow. Which, because I need to figure out a resolution for these monitors so I know I can get rid of them. Because I don't know if they're gonna be like, oh no, we need that now. I'll be like, I think that's actually a good height right here. And then we need to do this. If preset selected, select, which they beat me as here's some weird.
Team eating good, you on your first plate. Mean with it, ain't no more joy. You gon' need first aid. Self-damage, need the HP. I got a curse name. Cypher drop, you niggas finna really feel an earthquake.
Oh, I guess not.
City to city, my finger itchy, and that goes for everybody and any. I'm getting busy, a box full of goons, 150. I got little patience for little Timmy.
So,
Getting giddy, murk a nigga if they really like it's Whitney. I keep me a semi, I'm pulling noses, long as you fuck around and you end up in a bag next to Lil Uzi with me, nigga. That's a drum line. Go to only one type.
Cast it as an end. Alright, so now what we gotta do here is on change. Change preset selection this. And then technically I guess I should put this in here. Wait. Function event. And then what we need to then do is do console.log event, which I think I could just do console.log event.value. So we should see I get the put you in a box of blue bird. Alright, so right now it looks very crowded. Looks very crowded. No, I think I needed to do. I think I need to add padding to this also. Oh no, I can't. It's a drop down. This arrow. No. Alright, so if I change it to this. I'm gonna say let preset new preset selection equals event knockdown dot split underscores of 1. Then what we're gonna do is we need to do loaded because we need to do this essentially, and then We need to do that, but we also need to...
I'm bringing that sicker fire, and you niggas ain't nothing but lumber to me. Ice in my mind, I can't choke when I flick out your bitch in my dish, your number to me.
Low next song's available, which is correct. So what we need to do is that. Then we need to do empty it, load it, and then bring our next song to the next thing. Before we do that, though, we need to get the next songs available, which is interesting. Because I need to then actually call... I then need to actually call this get next song list, and here, we need to call this, and we need to set this to empty. And then hold on a second. What is that? Dot.
It's King Shofu. Ain't no need to evolve. Came here floating like a haunter. Who the fuck you gon' call? I got a bad chick smooching all of my balls. I don't wear condoms like I'm finna catch them all. You ain't got a stunt mom.
Hey,
yo. Got 3
yo.
fingers in your bitch Mewtwo. I don't even have to try in order to kill you. I can do it in my sleep like TM82. Had the fool in you and Ambi Palm. Put your hands up.
Alright, thing is, there's this. If it's available, it does load next song that's available. But I feel like
Money drop a G on a shirt. Fuck around my laser focus, guarantee this'll hurt. I come up to you, face the artist, kill missile murk. Molly toed gloves off, now this physical work. We're leaving you shocked. So sick, and for us, did a flu shot.
I should. But no, in order. That would have to be true. So this would always be true. Okay. And then what we need to then do is this. We just need to do post. Whatever, and then playlist key. And then actually then we can put all this in there. And then we need to do we have an update one. Update. I guess we could. I wonder, could we just call this? Who's gonna fucking check me if you're true? Then good riddance. I said fuck the laws and fuck the light. It had no sense. Articuno ice pick, Rocky Mountain nice wrist, 200 flash on the dash, on my flight wrist.
Articuno ice pick, Rocky Mountain
No cap, like I'm 5'6".
I'm the cool kid, you super nerd, you don't fit in. You hate from the outside of the things, you can't get in. Money stack and tack up by the way that I be winning. And I only tell my mama about the cash that I be spending. Bitch, I do it. I got guns with the chopper and I'm shooting. All my niggas finna eat, I
Alright,
feel like bring the food in. They say token, please stop fucking with I
I
know
think,
like y'all fluence, but I do it, does it, fuck it, in 2 months I'm gonna be
I
doing.
think we did it.
To the fire and you finna need a oven mitt.
I don't really move forward bunny with the double kick. Alright, let me make sure, so... these are... Let me change these. So this has 2. Alright, that way I have a diversity of, like, what I can switch to here. Because I want to make sure this works.
Let it go, chandelier, we light them up and ghost. Let them know, rolling through my city, ever stone. With the flow,
if I change it to
ever cold. MIA in the
that
region
one.
where it never snows.
Okay, it looks like it worked, but this should go then to beautiful.
Yeah, it's SH to the UE. That's the dude that rapped about the UE. This dude's weak, he's magic carp, his moves stink, he's flashing bars and
Okay, and then if I switch to this,
only that means I'm Drew Key, always rolling with new breeds, a few G's stuffed in a blunt, stuck between 2 leaves. I'm friends with Blaine, you know I stay forever blazes, looking like I meditate, but really they stay red and glaze like rubies. I levitate like you see every day. Left the cave for another week with the legend game. Bring a lot of heat when we speak like some ever flames. Check your EXP, we don't beef with the level lames. You know we got metagame, make your girl cheat if we let her play. Put my special D in her special A, primordial C. Got the
alright,
like probably cause I'm slurping on a Persian till it's squirting like a remoraid.
pretty much done with that. The screen feels a bit crowded, but you know, you could definitely close this, and it feels better. That's the issue though, I don't want it to feel crowded. Alright, oh, that didn't update. So it is random. Load next song tab. This. I don't think we reset this load, but maybe we should. Because it might be easier to reset the load. Because if we reset the load, then it might be easier to... I feel like I'm missing one of these changes that I just did. Where did it go? Next song tab.
You know that's we never slacking, getting bread. They say y'all loaf around. My last resort suggested just abandon all these clowns.
I mean, it could do this if when we hit random song and yeah, let me try that. So here we go. If we do that, then we should do this, which should be okay. That way it gets rid of the thing. Alright, so now if I do this, ooh, his playlist is not defined. I thought, very no point on. Hold on, there's really no point on doing this up here then. Because then I could just do this down here. Take this out. Alright. That should automatically fix itself though. So now if I hit this. What? What the fuck happened? But if it's post this there we go. Okay, something comes up there. I don't know what it is. I'm 14. If it's sad. Unclosed. How's it unclosed if I didn't recognize it, just you have to put the PHP. I didn't close these. Alright, now if I do this. Of course, the video's unavailable. Wait a second. Let me check this playback. That didn't look right. Hold on. When I hit random, what it did was Devil's Plan Streets. No, it's right. Okay. It's right. No one who went long. Look, that's the white lie. Oh, what the fuck is this? This man streaming in Pokemon Scarlet. I don't know about that one. They got to slap him up. Alright, so I feel like I want to. Sure yeah, there you go. I feel like I want to make the font larger, but at the same time, I don't know. I'm gonna need feedback on that. That's done. Alright, with artists, it's gonna be sort of different, where what I'm gonna do with artists, well, first, let me make this. I was gonna make a pull request, but I'll wait till the end of the day, because I try and do pull requests every time I do a ton of changes. Because right now I got hella changes. I'm on part 5, so I'll show my. No, I'm not gonna show my GitHub. I'll show my GitHub, but it doesn't sound like a good idea. I need to go to here and. Take this out. Let me see if I have any just lingering on. Those can stay there. Alright, so for artists, we did do something in here. No. Oh, playlist always goes to the next song anyway. Which, remember, let me reset. Because I have a feeling something with the playlist isn't done yet. Something doesn't seem right. Which is true. Now we copy the novel. See, it's things like this where I can't. If I refresh and do it, it's gonna probably go through. So I don't know. See, look, it goes through. But it's like what? Alright. So let me test this real quick. Palm neck. Oh, you know what I should probably do? I should probably put two. They know what the fuck this is. Palm neck. What? Okay, I don't know. Run around web. For your love. Tom Nook, 3 a.m. Run around with Oriella. Yeah, something happened here, I don't know. You know what I could do? I could have done... Float left, float right, position relative display, alright, it doesn't matter at this point. Let me just do font size 20 pixels. Should be good. Oh, I didn't have to refresh. No, I forgot. Okay, it surely went through that time. Alright, then so if I go next, see, that doesn't make sense to me. Oh no, next song is Tommy. Why does it do that? It should skip 0. I'm gonna just set that to 1 then. If I skip 0, then it should be fine.
She got a bag that she want in a boyfriend and culture. You want that bag? Money. I'm eating good now, everything I eat is kosher. Riding the city to get an expensive mimosas.
Fuck. Of course, the one time that I had it, it didn't go through.
They couldn't hate no more, but they finding a way. I thought he was real, then I found that he liked my face. So if you ain't gang, I ain't moving, I gotta get paid.
I gotta keep chasing the chatter. I need it as part of my daily endeavors. He looking shot when I spray the Beretta. If I come to your block, then I'm changing the weather. Gun on my hip, you not taking the pressure. If you fuck with me wrong, you gon' lay.
I'm gonna have to try and catch that. I still don't know this error is something to do with. Definitely have to do with that data.
Bitch, I'm a god in my city. A whole lot of art when we draw in the city.
Which oh, you know I could probably check. Hold on. I didn't refresh, did I? If I didn't refresh, I could probably check. No. This is chosen 0 equals no. Why is that?
I'm back up on my karaoke shit. Every hit is critical. My energy is focused. You gon' need a potion. Bars is straight corrosion. We blowing up. You hate that you get caught in the explosion. This king ain't on his throat. This the illest Pokemon Go. I'm just riding around my city catching these hoes like Pokemon Go.
Means chosen.
Fire flash to show who know we hot. Your girlfriend see my lure. I keep her coming like a Pokestop. I got 0 matches left.
Chosen 0 equals no. But next song is 2. If see that that doesn't exactly make sense to me. Because this should have
I will never lose. Which one you choose? The sun or the moon? Bitch, we don't do interviews. Playing games, throwing flames in and out the booth. I'm boosting up, I hit baton pass, get them scoop.
And we been the truth. My top down, spin around, I'm in the villain suit. My flow cert, boy, you're gonna need the inner tooth. And you know when you the greatest when they mimic you.
Running shit, whole beat, got my tan.
but that has a
Like a U-turn, bite a nigga style, get your motherfucking two-turn. No hands like a whooper, the way a nigga dazzle and I'm leaving unaffected if you really wanna shoot first.
Fresh shipping Lumios, it's all on my clothes. I'm throwing balls at your chick like Pokemon Go. She a Tropies, I put banana all in the throat.
We got a team of legendaries, but don't nobody know. And you already know, I got the decks, let me get them. Start your chicken, then I get the pussy hot, that's lit.
What I need mittens, how about I don't listen? You be talking money, get amnesia, I forget about anybody. When you don't even want to press or hit a couple times. Now you looking like a wimp, out you losing, I'm winning, you don't understand it.
Spit poison, I'm fire, I look like Salandit. My style, my swagger, too much for you random.
that's
Like a rabbit, the bar's so ugly like a palpito. Bitch, I'm hotter than the sun, so Galileo. I got an outfit.
if next song's length is better than 0, that's what I'm doing. But then where you rely on this, but then we do get next song list, and where
Ivy sword, number 2, I'm the shit boy.
the we skip
Fire spin when I spit boy. Violate no X and Y. That black man don't need to fly. Then fairy types all gotta die. Start buffer and burn prioritize. Scrappy dudes, attitude, weak dudes, mirror moves, you lose. Ice cubes, vanilla, double scoop. I'm a fucking fool. I'm junior move.
that means when we hit
Electric, drip in my mind, twisted. I'm lifted, don't miss it. I'm swiftness, you tempted to run quick. Sick shit is lit wick. Lit flames, don't play no game. Poplio is a damn shame. Rowlett, he clean as fuck. Both side, nigga, what's up? Young goose, mean mug, grub man. I'm the plug. Pick and pick, got secret tech. No mouse. Just respect Lunala, eclipsing. That moon guy's be ripping, so Leo be tripping. On the sun, he sipping. This that OT, you can say Dialga over me. Palkia, give me space, no reaching in. I got Deoxys D. Move your feet, no hit my lead. You can't mimic me, you the widow tree.
I mean,
don't try to flee, cause you inhale like a sock bout 3. Swallow your pride, bow down on royal. Starting out overflowing, that's boil. Serve on 36, that's coil. Execute, right next, spoil. Loyal, like Genie's K9. Get tail like the 5 I shine like a chain of 40. My poster rare noise on Joti.
Get current playlist. Which this should actually then be in here, because it takes a second for all this to happen. In which, if we do play playlist selected song, we do play chosen, in which that equals null, because chosen doesn't matter here. Yeah. And and this.
Yep. Damn right I'm doing this again. They call me hating it, they hating, but I said that before. Now y'all looking like y'all never seen my level before. If bars are what I owe you in a battle, that's a nice trial. MU60, get rid of your Wi-Fi. I run the med if you ain't know.
Now, what doesn't make sense also is this. So that should be that. Artist chosen should just be this one. Alright, hopefully we stop seeing those issues. How long have I been streaming for? So current. So I search for an artist. It does this. Get artist. But oh wait, no. So what we need to do then is this. Artist. What we need to do then is blow some of this shit. And let's just
Take my word, I am not just a flower. I'll learn to take you and then beat you by the hour. I'll bring it down and watch you fall like the
From what it looks like, I can do this. And then in here, throw that in here. But
confusing little Pucciana who pretend they're slick. I'm in the Nova banging Skylar. TM56, that's Flink, son. But you don't know because you never even had one. This ain't a roast, but if it was, it'd be a takedown. Double teaming like your collar pedal. Mango made a tweet that exploded that was followed by a countdown. Bitch, I'm a vote switch. Brick break all your dreams and your hopes with. Cross chop till you're nothing but an old glitch. Earthquake till you're trubbish in a trash ditch. Cold as ice, my flow is nice. I ain't a deli bird. My presence are far more precise. Call me Mr. Game Awards, punk ass.
So then what we can do is pass through and then featured on.
Like a terror, got blaring out Terry. I gave adversaries the Paris song. Everyone waiting for Gary. Now I gotta carry the weight of the world like Torterra. She knew that the snake is
Featured on should be pretty self-explanatory. And then down for yeah, and then I'm trying to think, does this I don't think this has to be rebuilt every time. Because we build it once, we run the query different each time, which is why we would put it in the result separate, I believe. I'm not sure. But we also need to check how many songs the artist has. Which I believe we do that inside of stats. Auto uploaded song. Like this here. If you, the lowest number of songs on my site shouldn't be more than 10. This shit low. What happened here? That's definitely not. Bro, what the fuck happened?
Orlando will sweep you like I'm Mr. White. Fuck it with that pink man. I sling up them rocks like I'm Mr. White. Then I'm an intake, sweet coon, rock coat. They come for the rest of your dog like I'm Mr. White. Giovanni, he be wishing for a body. Keeley, buddy walking, catching a hummy tonight.
What the fuck happened to the stats page?
Let's go.
I don't recall, like, doing anything drastic over here. I changed something.
Houston, I really care what you say.
Might be good.
Everything I touch me flames. Got that Arcan 9 in a rapid dance. False 5 out of 5, I flash the ass. Got a hater in half with a super.
Might have been.
Watch out for that badass hand. I'm back in that. After 2016 with a pampered song. Try to save them, please. And the grave just leave some flow as when I end them all from A to Z. Talked about girls and blazing weed. They're the last one, so they hated me. Fuck that.
What was that? Alright. Alright, then for the sake of simplicity, I will say 5. For hello? My stream okay? Okay, I don't know. Stream looked like it stuttered for a moment.
Who's back flying in fire? Who's that about a I'm firing something with a pass nose for a barrel. Sweet cool 6, the coldest nigga to speed past. Boy, drop dead gorgeous, shit'll get ugly as feedback. Young mugs there, who tryna test my stamina? Kick so hard, it'll drain you like a catheter. Fucking break you suckers, ain't the damage when the guns pop. Fucking ain't the fucking fame vanish, just a nudge like your luck stops now. You don't understand who's nicer when I pop up. Anything can happen like a randomizer. Hit on 10 with this, every element. I will passive, it's poisonous. Anyone can get it like salad bit. Dazzling, savage flow, you'll be lying for
That fire control. We're gonna do this side. That fire control. And photo less than 5. Because if you have like 5 songs, it don't matter. It's okay. You can have the duplicate songs. It's supposed to be. Who's that flyer then ho? Oh. Who's that flyer then ho? God. Now, I'm not sure how this is gonna work because I feel like it's gonna not work, but we shall see. Because I'm not sure. But then, what if you decide you want to have features on? Then I should flip it. I'm gonna have to rerun the script again. So let me show. Nothing happened. As I figured. Let's see. What is this? Is this even part of my code? What is this? Who's that flyer than ho-oh? Get next song list. Oh. That is one. Okay. Wait, no. It did work. So now, I need to do, if I check this, which, to me, I don't know if it's just me, but everything, this font size seems very small. So let me, let's see. What's the optimal font size? Font size. There we go. 20 pixels seems like optimal font. And then your font size. Let me take this. Let's see. Yeah, let me just change it all to 20. And just like load additional info. Alright, Alright, why does this take? This takes a minute over here for some reason. It's definitely because of something in... That looks a lot better. Let's see what this looks like on... Hello? My stream okay? Shit. Dropping hella frames.
No freeze. Sounds like a grunt big show fool is hella big. Leotro, Roscoe no, PK
that looks good.
I'm real like it's a bad habit. Bitch, I peek at you and then grab it. Pokey dolls make me get too much.
Man, it's obviously gonna look good on this.
So this shit that you do know we go ham ease like a free throw. Back on up before I serve you, I'm so fly.
I'm gonna have to get feedback. Definitely get some feedback. One thing I need to do is when I click... Hold on, I know what to do. Token black bit. Token black bit. I might have to restart my stream.
You are in the town where all the pokes misbehave. I stay killing team 6-0. Look at all the graves. Got that tower full of bodies. Ain't got shit up in the lobby. All you see is purple smoke. These that still scope just to spot me. Then I'm like, boo, bitch, no trick or treat. Fuck them sweets.
Oh, that's a sitting around button. On click equals update like and then update players just gonna literally just be this, except Pokemon Go to die. Was artist chosen. Alright, so if I put Shofu and Token Black here, it's gonna pick from only one of them here, but if I do this, it didn't add it. What is I think do this, do document.query selector all on this, and then we do for each artist console.log artist.inner HTML like that, and then we get all the artists like that here, and we do it like this. What we should be able to do then is this, and push that there. And then
Pokemon Cypher 2012, WDFA, FDNX. I was just playing last year. Hey, Wishbone, I heard what you said, nigga. Pokemon virus. Just think about it.
and it's better if I just do this. If it's greater than 1, I don't know why I put greater than 0. Because wait, no. We should just do this. Because it doesn't matter. And then
Gotta use ingrain, add to my stability. Matter of fact, I'ma use my crate daily suction, cause my rival just came around the corner. What the fuck is up? He attacked, I attack first. That's a sucker punch. Ain't no way to ruin this. Nobody be doing this. I am hard body. You are just ridiculous. I'm like a fucking Snorlax on the beat. Way I be chewing it. If you think I'm losing it, just switch out. I'm pursuing it.
alright, let's refresh this.
Yeah.
Oh, great with the balls.
Shout out DJ Sonic Freak. Said I'm great with the balls. Hands on deck, I'm A with the palm. Black version, bitch, I'm A with the con. TM64, I'm A with the palm. You gay with the palm. OSAM, A with the palm. I'm A with the cog. Much like that's the cake that my trophy is. I'm a date with a palm. You play with a charm. It's easy for me to blast ya. I fire blaster than Asher. I'm faster. I'm a ninja. I'm speed boosting right past ya. I have my Pikachu flash it and Thunderbolt quick attack it. Bitch, I'm a Pokemon master. It's nothing for me to catch. Plus 6 vocal roller, bitch. You can't do a thing about it. If you have a problem, do like Jigglypuff.
I know this takes a while to. What the fuck? Undefined array key chosen. What the fuck?
It's still too easy, man. WDFA. Let's see somebody try to top that. We're not even done yet. Hey, yo, Scoop. Get him.
Oh, wait, is it a new Pokemon cycle?
You already know.
Okay. Yeah. Let's get it. We don't catch shit, bitch. Yeah, we fucking sav. You lose your safe file. All the teams is up for grabs.
Wait a second.
Yeah, we walk in and take the badge. You are light years from my level. Damn, that's fucking sad. My swag is like Brock. You will get smashed with my eyes closed. Whole body, motherfucker, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Ha, back to the point. Let's race spark up the joint. I'm hungry for the wins. Greedy like a spoink. I'm soaking up the game. Call me the illest miraculous. I'm a rage with the bars flow. Sick, call it Pokérus. But no double EVs. Got your girl down on her knees. She sucked me like a leech and stacked that on my seed. She give me brain and make it rain. Damn, she's so retarded. Cause her brain is dumber than it's in my mental closet. She gets fast and dance around my niggas fucking lost it. Then I drag into their ass. Kept her running like a foster school. Back up in this bitch like a motherfucking Kangaskhan. On top of the tier list, so ban me. Guard chomp.
I have a theory. A game theory.